Welcome, friends. Welcome to another Pizza of the Week. And this week we're going to make a pizza that I had a lot when I worked in television commercial production. One of the producers loved a restaurant here in Toronto called Teroni's. And this was a pizza that he always got. So, it has little meatballs made from spicy Italian sausage, gorgonzola cheese, which is an Italian blue cheese, mozzarella, sliced potatoes, and some rosemary. I know, potatoes on a pizza, but it works. So we start out with the dough and we just go around the outside and make a little bit of a dimple and then down through the middle. And then you just dimple it down through the middle, always pushing the air to the outside of the pizza. Now you don't have to get fancy with shaping the pizza dough, just kind of get it as close as you can to a circle. You don't have to toss it around. Maybe put your fists underneath it like this and just slowly stretch it out if it doesn't stretch on its own. The amount of time that it sat on the counter since we took this out of the fridge and the temperature in the kitchen all sort of determine how well this dough will stretch or how easily it will stretch. You just kind of get it to a point where you're happy and then get it on the peel and just stretch it out a little bit on the peel again. Okay, and just stretch it out just a little bit on the peel. I build my pizzas on the peel because I'm not great at getting it off the counter. Okay, a little squirt of olive oil, and then on with some mozzarella. And this is a fresh mozzarella. It's fairly wet. Just break some in there. And then just spread the gorgonzola over top. Just kind of smush it between your fingers. Get it all over. It's sticky. And then on with some meatballs. A couple potato slices, not too many because it's a pretty small pizza. And then just a little bit of rosemary on top. I'm not a huge fan of rosemary, so I don't put as much probably as other people do. And you can give that another little squirt of olive oil and then out to the oven.
Okay, so Glenn, you told me you were making a past favorite.
This is I believe when you order it from Teroni's, it's called the Don Corrado,
Okay.
if I remember that correctly.
It's full of all sorts of flavors that are not necessarily my favorites. So I'm not. I'm apprehensive.
I don't know. The blue cheese somehow really worked for me, and a little bit of the sausage. The potato is a little bit strange at the beginning, but I think it works really well.
Okay.
So we'll give it a try. It's hot, though. Oh, I lost a potato. Okay. You ready? Huh?
You're right.
Huh? Mm-hmm. I'm telling you. Isn't that great?
It's surprisingly quite tasty.
You know,
I was not expecting the blue cheese to really work for me because I like blue cheese, but I wasn't sure about a pizza. But when you put that with the oil and I didn't get a potato though, so I feel like
yeah. No, you need to. Here,
I'm gonna.
take that potato.
Okay, I'll just add it.
Yeah, just add the potato.
Okay.
That's fine. I'm fine with that. The potato really sort of adds something to it, strangely. Now, so this is our regular 72-hour dough. I got caught short, so I actually only made this dough this morning. So it's only had about 8 or 9 hours in order to get to this point. So it's a little bit more difficult to stretch because I didn't allow it that long, slow rise. But still, flavor-wise, it's really good.
Dough's good. Pizza's good.
It's got good crust. I mean, this is, and it's cooked in a wood oven.
It does make it more fun.
You could put a frozen pizza in a wood oven.
you think it would taste
And
better?
it would taste better than it would in a regular oven.
I can't say either way.
So, I would highly recommend that you give this pie a chance.
Surprisingly, quite tasty.
Quite tasty. I'm telling you. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.